So I've been asked to make a video on how to make a Venge mod for browser. So it's a pretty simple process. It's pretty much the same as client, there's just a few differences. So open up your browser, go to the link to my website, go to Venge modding, and then you're just going to go to the modding repository, and you're going to go download all as zip, or you can create your mod in here first with whatever assets you want to use, any type of editing you want to do. Then just click on download all as zip. And since we're wanting the browser mod, you want to just do browser export. And then you give it a little bit of time to think, because this website is relatively large. There's a lot of assets. There's like 3,000 assets that it has to go through. So it's going to load all the textures into memory, and then it's going to compress them into a zip file for you with the correct structure for a browser mod. Okay, so now you can see it says preparing zip, and you just want to wait for that to finish. There we go. Now what you want to do is open File Explorer. Let's full screen that. Go to Downloads, and then we'll extract this. They just gave us our zip file. Now we have our unzipped file folder here. So just click on your mod browser, VengeSwapper main, and then these are the files for the mod. And they're laid out in such a way that it will work with your browser. I believe this is Nexi's work. I don't remember, but credit to whoever did this, because all I did was put it together so it would output this way and it would work. I didn't actually do any of the coding for it. So what you're going to do now is open up your browser of choice. I'm going to open up Edge. And you're going to go to your extensions. So the way this works is it uses an extension to load all your assets. So go to Manage Extensions, and then make sure that your developer mode is on. Some browsers may require this for you to load an extension. So just if you can find that somewhere, look online, developer mode, turn that on. Then you're going to load unpacked, and then you go to downloads, make sure we're there. Okay, so here is our folder that we just extracted. Open that, and then click on this folder here. You're just going to select it, because this is what contains all of our stuff inside, you see? So just select that folder, select folder, and now you can see down here we have a new extension, Venge.io Resource Swapper. So then you should be able to just open Venge in the browser. So now if you get into a game and get into Sierra, because these are the textures I replaced. Yeah, there we go. So these are just test textures to show you that it does work, but you are able to replace the textures and make this a mod. So yeah, this is how you do it. If you want any more tips or help, I'm gonna die. Yeah. If you want any more help or tips, just put it in the comment section and I'll make another video on it. Hopefully that was helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.